Two AI assistants, both priced at $20 a month, both running on some of the most powerful language models ever built. And yet, developers are picking sides, writers are picking sides, companies are picking sides. So in 2026, is Claude actually better than ChatGPT? Or is ChatGPT still the king? Stick around because we're going category by category, backed by real benchmark data, and we're giving you a straight answer at the end. Let's set the stage. As of 2026, Claude is on its fourth generation of models, with Claude Sonnet 4.6 as the everyday workhorse and Claude Opus 4.6 sitting at the top of the lineup. ChatGPT is running on GPT 5.4 and GPT 5.5, OpenAI's most capable models to date. Here's the most important thing to understand right now. These two models are closer in raw intelligence than they've ever been. According to multiple independent reviewers, we're essentially at parity on general capability. So the real question isn't which one is smarter. It's which one is smarter for what you need. Let's start with coding, because this is where the gap is most clear. Claude Opus 4.6 scores 80.8% on SWE Bench Verified, the gold standard benchmark for real-world software engineering tasks. GPT 5.4 lands around 80%, close but trailing. And that's just the benchmarks. In the real world, 70% of developers surveyed say they prefer Claude for coding tasks. Cursor, the most popular AI code editor in 2026, uses Claude as its default model. Why? Because Claude thinks before it codes. It works through edge cases, writes type-safe solutions, adds documentation, and handles complex multi-file refactors in ways that ChatGPT frequently skips. And here's the kicker. Claude Pro includes Claude Code, a terminal-based coding agent that reads your entire code base, edits files, and runs commands locally. No extra cost, no cloud upload of your code, and that's a massive deal for professional developers. Writing is another category where Claude has a real measurable edge. The consensus across professional writers is consistent. Claude's output reads more like a human wrote it. Sentence length varies naturally. Transitions flow. The tone actually matches what you asked for. ChatGPT produces writing that's competent, but there's a recognizable formulaic quality to it. Polished? Yes. But you can often tell it came from an AI. For long-form content, editorial work, corporate communications, and technical documentation, Claude consistently scores higher in quality and appropriateness of tone. Now here's where ChatGPT pulls ahead, and it's not close. ChatGPT in 2026 is an everything platform. You've got image generation with DALL-E and native GPT-5 Vision real-time voice mode for natural conversation web browsing built right in the GPT store, thousands of specialized custom assistants, native integrations with Microsoft Office, Zapier, Slack, and hundreds more. Claude? It has no image generation, no voice mode, limited web access. Its integrations exist, but are more selective. If your workflow requires generating images, having a voice conversation, or switching between dozens of different tasks in one interface, ChatGPT is simply the better tool right now. This gap isn't subtle, it's structural. Claude is focused, ChatGPT is comprehensive. For anyone working with long documents, legal contracts, research papers, code bases, transcripts, this section matters a lot. Claude's context window sits at 200,000 tokens in the standard version. In its enterprise tier, that shoots up to 500,000 tokens, and Claude Opus 4.6 has been tested at 1 million tokens in research mode. That's entire books, entire code bases processed in a single prompt without losing coherence. ChatGPT Enterprise's context window is roughly half that of Claude Enterprise. For large document analysis, Claude is in a different league. Here's the good news. At the consumer level, both cost the same, $20 a month. But what you get differs. Claude Pro includes Claude Code, the terminal coding agent, at no extra charge. If you're a developer, that's serious value. ChatGPT Plus includes DALL-E image generation, web browsing, and voice mode. If you need those features, that's your value. For businesses, Claude for Teams is $30 per user per month. Claude Enterprise has custom pricing. Both tiers guarantee your data is never used to train the models. The bottom line, same price, different bundles. Pick based on what you actually use. All right, here's the honest breakdown. Choose Claude if you write code professionally or semi-professionally, work with long documents, research, or complex analysis, need high-quality, natural-sounding writing, work in regulated fields where safety and precision matter. Choose ChatGPT if you need image generation in your workflow, want voice interaction, rely on a wide ecosystem of integrations and custom. GPTs want one app that does everything, even if it doesn't do any one thing best. And here's the smartest take in 2026. Use both. At $40 a month combined, you get Claude for depth and ChatGPT for breadth. Route each task to the tool that handles it best. That's what power users are doing right now. So, which team are you on? Drop a comment below. Are you a Claude user, a ChatGPT user, or are you running both? If this helped you figure out which tool fits your workflow, hit that like button and subscribe. We break down AI tools every week so you don't have to do the research yourself. See you in the next one.